Hello everyone, Code Purpose here. We are going next with our exercise, helping chief. In this exercise, we need to help the chief uh, achieve something. The we need to help the chief, so we need to write a program that for a given integer n will output thanks for the help chief and an exclamation mark. Otherwise, it will output the number -1. I'm just copying that for pasting at the exercise later. And firstly, we need to read t, the number of t cases, and the next t lines we are going to read an integer, and for which integer we are going to output the message thanks for helping chief if that's less than 10, otherwise -1. So we have the number 1, which is less than 1, and we have thanks for the help chef. We have 12, which is bigger than 10. That's why we have thanks for the that's why we have -1, sorry. And -5 is less than 10, and we have the message that we needed to display. We declare t and n. T is number of test cases, n is the number we are going to read in each test case. We read the number of test cases, we make the for, which iterates t times starting from 0 until it reaches t-1, which sum up to t times iterations. And at the beginning of each for cycle, we are reading the number, and if the number is less than 10, we are outputting the message that we had to display. And here we have a \n, that's a new line. \n is a special character which represents new line, and otherwise we output -1 and a new line. So as you can see, we have two ways of adding new lines: \n and the end line keyword. So we just can copy this and directly go and submit it, because it's an easy exercise. I don't want to waste your time any more. We are missing include iostream using namespace std and submit. 99% this exercise will be solved correctly. Yeah, that's solved correctly. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe by clicking the red button right below like button. You can also turn on the notifications by clicking the notification bell to not miss the upcoming videos. See you soon on Code Purpose.